Hello students, welcome to my journey through haloalkanes and haloarenes, and today in our journey we have our destination at classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So let us know what is classification. For that, consider your classroom where your teacher might be classifying or grouping you on different bases, like on the basis of academics, on the basis of sports, on the basis of art and craft, and so on. So that is the classification of students in your class. Similarly, haloalkanes and haloarenes can also be classified on different bases. So one such classification is based on the number of halogen atom, and based on the number of halogen atom, haloalkanes and haloarenes can be classified as follows, that is as monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, and monohaloarene, dihaloarene, and trihaloarene, and also polyhalogen compounds. Now, what is monohaloalkane? From the name itself you will understand mono means single. So if the haloalkane contain only one halogen atom, X represents halogen atom. So if it contain only one halogen atom, it is known as monohaloalkane. If the haloalkane contain two halogen atom, then it is known as dihaloalkane. Di means two. If the haloalkane contain three halogen atom, it is known as trihaloalkane, and tri represents 3. Similarly, haloarenes. If the haloarene contain only one halogen atom, it is known as monohaloalkane. If the haloarene contain two halogen atom, it is known as dihaloarene. If the haloarene contain three halogen atom, it is known as trihaloarene representing 3. So, now what are these polyhalogen compounds? From the name you will understand poly means many. So, polyhalogen compound means it contains more than 2 halogen atom. So, haloalkane and haloarene which contain more than 2 halogen atom are called as polyhalogen compounds. So, trihaloalkane, trihaloarene can be called as a polyhalogen compound. So, that is based on the classification based on the number of halogen atom. Mono, di, tri, haloalkane and haloarenes. Now, this monohaloalkane or monohaloarene can again be classified on the basis of hybridization of the carbon atom to which the halogen atom is bonded, as it can be classified again into 2, that is halogen atom bonded to carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, and also halogen atom bonded to carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. That is, it is classified monohaloalkane and monohaloarenes are classified into 2, that is on the basis of hybridization of the carbon atom to which the halogen atom is bonded, that is halogen atom bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon and halogen atom bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now, the first one, compounds containing carbon halogen sp3 hybridized bond. That is, it is again divided into 3. In that, the first one is called as alkyl halides. Now, see here examples. What are alkyl halides? We will see what are alkyl halides now. See, X represents halogen. This halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. All these are, this carbon atom is bonded to 3 other hydrogen atom. So, this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. And now coming on to this, halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. It is again bonded to 2 hydrogen atom, this 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 alkyl group. This is known as primary halide, primary alkyl halide, that is Halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom, which is again bonded to only one alkyl group or represents alkyl group. Then it is called as primary alkyl halide. That is, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon, which is again bonded to only one alkyl group. Then it is known as primary alkyl halide. Now coming on to this example, here also halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized. This carbon atom is again bonded to two other alkyl groups, two other alkyl groups and one hydrogen atom. If this carbon atom is bonded to two other alkyl groups, then it is known as secondary alkyl halide. That is, halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized, and it is bonded, if it is bonded to two alkyl groups, then it is known as secondary alkyl halide. And these these two alkyl groups, it may be same or different. Now here in this example, the halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized, and it is again bonded to three other alkyl groups. Then it is known as R. It is not bonded to any hydrogen atom. All this carbon is bonded to three alkyl groups. Then it is known as tertiary alkyl halide. That is, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon, which is bonded to three alkyl groups. Then it is known as tertiary alkyl halide. These three R may be same or different. This is alkyl halide. That is, here halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon, and it is divided into primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. Now another classification of this is based on hybridization is allylic halide. That is, here also the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then it is again bonded to another carbon atom, which is sp2 hybridized. You can see a double bond here. So that means this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Such haloalkanes are known as allylic halides. That is, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is again attached to a carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. Then it is known as allylic halide. Here in this example also you can see iodine. Here it is attached to a carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. This is again attached to a carbon atom which is having sp2 hybridization. Here also you can see double bond. So that means this carbon atom will be sp2 hybridized. Such halides are known as allylic halides. And the third classification is benzylic halide. Here from the name itself you will understand benzylic, something related to benzene. That is, here the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. See here, X. It is bonded to a carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, and next to it, it is bonded to, this carbon atom is bonded to a benzene ring which is having sp2 hybridization. So such halides are known as benzylic halides. That is, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is again bonded to a benzene ring or an aromatic ring. Then it is known as benzylic halides. Here also in this example also you can see halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, that is again bonded to benzene ring. Then it is known as benzylic halide. So this is the classification on the basis of halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Now the second category is compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond. That is, here the halogen atom will be bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Let us see how they are classified. They are also classified into two. That is, the first one is vinylic halide. See the examples here. Here in vinylic halide, the halogen atom is attached to a carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. Here in this example you can see halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom. Here there is a double bond. You can see double bond CH2. So this carbon atom is having a double bond here. So this carbon atom will be sp2 hybridized. So the halogen atom is here directly attached to a carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. Here in this example also you can see halogen atom is attached to carbon atom which is having a double bond here which is sp2 hybridized. So this is such type of compounds are known as vinylic halides. That is, halogen atom is directly bonded to carbon atom which is having a double bond or sp2 hybridization, then it is known as vinylic halides. Another classification is aryl halide. From the name itself you will get aryl. Aryl means some arenes are they attached. So here the halogen atom, this is chlorine, halogen atom is directly bonded to an arene, that is benzene. A halogen atom is directly bonded to a benzene ring, then it is known as aryl halide. So this is the classification in which the halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. So this is the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. And two things that you will come across here is, that is the difference between allylic halide and vinylic halide, and also the difference between aryl halide and benzylic halide. So first we will see what is the difference between allylic halides and vinylic halides. For that, see, in allylic halide, first difference is halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, and then it is attached to carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. So, but in vinylic halide, the halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So that is the difference between allylic halide and vinylic halide. And another thing is difference between aryl halide and benzylic halide. In aryl halide, the halogen atom is directly bonded to the benzene ring, whereas in benzylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, then it is bonded to benzene ring. So here halogen atom is not directly bonded to the benzene ring. So that is the difference between benzylic halide and aryl halide. So this is about the classification of haloalkenes and haloarenes. Hope you have understood the topic. If you find this class useful, please share it and subscribe. Thank you.